We will be doing into this video this burnt orange little double cut crease. It's kind of like a wing liner at the same time. Anyways, but it is. And if you want to know how I created this look and which products, then continue watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this little eye makeup tutorial right away. Hello beauties! How is everybody doing today? Make sure to like the video and to comment down below how you feel today. I was thinking that I wanted to go back again into the Retro Paradise collection because I really want to get into all the colors possible. So I was like, okay, I want to go into the neutral, but I still don't want to do like a normal everyday kind of look, you know, because I'm like, okay, simple looks are enough. We need to do something complicated. I was thinking of doing like kind of like a wing liner, but with color around it, and the middle would be plain. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Hopefully it's gonna look good, and I'm gonna have something in the inner corner, something over there, something over there. Using the beautiful Retro Paradise collection, of course, and going into the orangey red Dijon canvas, these neutral plus a pop of red and orange probably. So let's go in it right away. As you can see, my face is already done, and I put my little primer, which creases all the time, so excuse my primer. And we will go straight into the shade Dijon, which is that kind of like mustard color, but the Dijon one. And we will start in the inner corner and just bringing that color right here. I'm gonna start shaping here. Of course, we have to top off the excess. And I'm just gonna concentrate that color right here, creating kind of like a round shape and bringing it all the way to the eyebrow. All right, so now the next shade that we will take is called Caliente. And this color is kind of like a burnt orange, so it stays within the same color. And I'm gonna take the same brush, and then what we will do is we will add it precisely under Dijon orange and just really concentrating it here and then blending it into the Dijon shade. And of course, you want to top off the excess when you are doing so the color is very easier to blend and it doesn't get everywhere. Now that those two colors are placed, it is now time to cut the crease, and I'm not doing the bottom or anything right now. So I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna take the P. Louise base, like the base that I put on my eyes already. It is in the shade Rumor 01, and I will be cutting the crease really precisely and very, very high to create kind of an illusion that my eye is very open and bigger. So after the crease is cut, we will take the shade Canvas and we will be applying it on the cut crease already so it doesn't crack and it sets in place. And this is gonna be our nude color. So it's gonna look really pretty. I want it to be the same as my skin tone, so it really blends into the rest of the face. So that's really a trick if you are doing some cut creases and you want something to, like a canvas, you need like a base that is the same color of your skin tone and an eyeshadow that will be the same color as your skin tone or really, really close. So that looks pretty nice. The next step that we will do is we will create the liner. So of course, I'm gonna be taking a little brush which looks like this. It's a tiny little brush that you can use for lining, and I will be dipping into the shade Sliced just because I want something that will be really darker overall. Red color, I'm gonna be applying it on the side and following my lower lash line. We will follow the shape that we did for up there. And I'm just making sure that everything is precise, so that's why I'm using this little brush. And we take a little brush and we just make sure that everything is blended. Of course, we can always go back with the shade Canvas if something is not good or if I went overboard. So you take a little tiny brush again, you go with the shade Canvas and you just go in between, and this will really erase the shades that we didn't like. And we also can use this to blend the edges since it's very, very precise. Then after that, we recut the crease again to make sure that this is very sharp and nice, and making sure that also all the colors that you want are really bright. So that's what I'm gonna do. putting the colors brighter, and then I will cut the crease. And you set the crease with the shade Canvas to make sure that it stays in place. Then we will take a little bit of the shade Dijon that we had right here, and we will blend it into the orange on the sides right there, so everything is more unified. And then we will take the same colors to put on the lower lash line. So I will take the shade Caliente and put it right here. And then we will take the shade Dijon and put it under as well. And then to finish off the look, what we'll do is I will take the shade Sea Salt, which is that kind of like white and has more kind of blue tones in it because I want this to pop. And I will put it right in the middle right here. Just like that. And then now what we'll do is I will be doing the other eye, then apply some mascara, some lashes, and we will be finished. So of course I'm gonna go do that off camera, and I will be right back. So I just finished doing the other eye. I put a little bit of mascara. So I put 2 different mascara. I put the Too Faced Benedict Sex Mascara and the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. And I also did my lips off camera. And this was the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Lip Liner, the darkest one. And I put the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss Balm in the shade Cheeky, which is super nice. So it's like kind of like a neutral burnt orange type of thing. It's, you know, like nice dark ashy colors which look really, really good. I really like the makeup look. I feel like I don't want to put any lashes today. I feel like I want to just put some mascara and just let it live like this. I feel like I want you to see the makeup look. I want you to see the double cut crease, the little glitters and everything. I think it's so nice. So tell me down below what you think about this makeup look. Would you like to recreate it? If so, tell me down below, and make sure to send it to me via Instagram when you do. I really want to see. And that is what it is. That is the makeup tutorial for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you have any suggestions, make sure to drop them down below. And if you like the video, make sure to like the video as well. So that is what it is. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll be notified every single time that I post one. So I really, really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.